All right, y'all, my name is Kermit Moore. I'm here today, customer's house, here with QuickTechAV. We did a full surround sound, we did the TV installation, all the networking. So we're gonna show you a little bit about what we did. So right here, we got a 55-inch LG. We got it on a Mantle Mount. So if the customer wants to pull it down, bring it a little bit lower so they're not having to break their necks, they can bring it down to any spot they'd like to. And it's got 18 degrees of swivel each way. Then whenever you're ready to put it back up, all you do is lift it back up. So, pretty simple. We also got surround sound out here as well. Let's come inside real quick. So, we got zones 1 through 5. So, zone 4, that's going to be for our outside speakers. So pretty much we can cut it on here. And as you can tell, got surround sound speakers right here, and show another speaker over here as well. Another speaker wired up there as well. So if we come back to the keypad, get a little bit closer right here, we can turn up the volume. And we can also change the source. We have another source for the living room TV as well as a record player up there in the media room. So if I want to put it on the living room TV, I can switch the source to source 2, and bam, there's the living room. Here's the living room TV right here. We can do the same thing in the living room as well. We can turn up the volume, change the source. We've got zone 1 and 2 right here as well. Let's cut these on. Now we got living room speakers. And if we want to go ahead and cut on the kitchen speakers, we got zone 3 over here. For the kitchen speakers. Show them the kitchen speakers right here. So basically you can control everything from these wall plates. So it's a really nice system. It's made by Monoprice. It's a 6-zone setup. Alright, now let's say we want to go ahead and go to the living room TV. Put it on 2, source 2. Now we got living room feed as well. Alright y'all, so this is what the wall plate looks like. Basically from every single room, you can control what source you have coming in, whether it's radio, cable box, you name it. You can go in there and change the volume from each room and change the source. So you don't have to have a universal remote control or just come up here and manually change it. You can change it from radio if you're out there at the pool, turn it off, all that good stuff. Even change the treble in place. So that's that. This is the normal wall plate. Then we have a master wall plate where all the rest of the wall plates plug into. This is the master. So all right, people, stay tuned for that. Monoprice 6-zone amplifier here. That's the back side. The front side, this is what it looks like. Tells you which zone, tells you if it's at its peak or clipping. It's got standby, so it's a nice unit. For around $800 and something, you can get this installed in your home. All right, now if we come upstairs, this is our 6-zone Monoprice system right here. This is what controls everything. We've got the record player, the internet, switch, everything in one spot. We also got the same thing for upstairs. It's playing right now it's playing source 1, so that's going to be the living room TV. We'll turn up the volume for that. As you can tell, it gets really loud. We can also adjust, if you get a little bit closer here, we can also adjust the treble and the bass that's coming through the speakers as well. Not that you would want too much bass coming through, but you can control all that from this wall plate. So it's really nice. It's got the afterglow. You can cut it off when you're not using it by holding it down for 3 seconds. So it's really cool. So we also installed a TV here with no wires. And if you come downstairs with me, I'll show you the other TVs that we did as well. Got one TV installed right here on a swivel mount. We come to this bedroom. Another TV on a swivel mount. It's also got tilt adjustment. And let's come to the master bedroom. Master bedroom, got another 65 TCL in here with no wire showing, hooked to the DVD player. And then if we come to this nice bathroom they have right here, we got another TCL TV on a swivel mount. So they can enjoy watching TV from the bathtub. Alright, now let's go check out this mantle mount here in the living room. So we have a 75-inch TCL on this mantle mount here. Just like the outside TV, we can pull it down to any spot that you would like. All the way down here. And it's also got 18 degrees of swivel as well. And when you're done using that, just push it back up into its spot. And there you go, folks. My name is Kermit with QuickTechAV. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching our video.